So the goal is to make V as subject. So rearrange this whole bit so that we become V as subject. So first things first, let me get rid of this. I need to free up V. The first hurdle is the square root. So I will just square on both the sides. And then square root cancels. I become x square over y square equals to 1 minus b square over b. First step, okay, everyone?
Yeah.
Now, what I'll do is I will swap this here and swap this here so that I don't have a negative in front of my v square. I hate negatives. Other way, you can take one on the other side as well, but I want this to be a positive number, easy for me to have. So I square v square over u square equals to 1 minus x square over y square. Is the second step clear?
Yeah.
Right? Then probably I want to join this up under one common denominator, easy for me to handle as a fraction. So I'll say y square minus x square. So finally, I have v square over u square equals to this fraction. Now, let's take this u square on top. So I say v square equals to u square y square minus x square over y square. And even more easier is, let me just combine them into one fraction. I'll say u square over y square minus x square, which was nothing but v square. Is this clear?
Yeah.
All right. So what is v square? What is v? Sorry, what is v then? V is the square root of all of that. So a square root of u square y square plus minus. Yes.
Yeah.
And eventually, can I write it as plus minus u over v, because this is a square, and square root of y square minus x square. This is also right. You can also, I think one of you, I think Shaurya went different direction, which is fine. So Shaurya, I think you took the v square, and I'll branch it off here, what you've done. And I think that's what Ratan has also done. So v equals to the square root of u square y square x square over y square. That's you've done? Yes?
I read it differently.
Right. And if I were to sort of, this becomes, so this is plus minus, and I have u square, and I can write it like this, say square root of u square 1 minus x square. So if you've done this, that's right. If you've done this, that's it. So this is how you rearrange this in terms of either this. Now, if you have I think you, if you would have rearranged it differently, if you had taken one here, then you would have negatives here inside. That's the only thing, right? Which I think one of you've done. All good?
Yeah.